Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be learning how to take out the background of any image or photo. So here we have a purple background and we'll be removing it, which will create a PNG. So let's begin. Here in the layers we have a layer called background, and next to it there's a lock sign. If you click on the lock sign, it will unlock the layer. Here we now have layer 0 and there's no lock sign near it. So then we'll get started. Make sure it's selected. So then you will click on the magic wand tool. Next to it there's object selection tool, quick selection tool, and magic wand tool. To do it quickly, just click magic wand tool. So now you just click on the background. Here we'll click on purple. And now you can see it has selected an outline. So now you can just clear by going in edit or delete. If you don't want to do it that way, just press delete on your keypad. It turns into a PNG. You can put any background behind it or anything you want. Now to unselect your photo, just press Ctrl D and it will deselect. So this is how it looks with another background. You can put any other color if you want. So let's change this to purple and fill it. So yeah, you have any other color filled in. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.